For centuries, the voice of the Gnostics was buried, literally hidden away in clay jars, waiting for the right moment to be heard again. In 1945, in the Egyptian desert near Nag Hammadi, a farmer named Muhammad Ali al-Samman made a discovery that would shake the foundations of Christian history. He found a sealed jar filled with ancient leather-bound books, texts that scholars thought were lost forever. These writings, known as the Nag Hammadi Library, contained secret gospels, mystical dialogues, and teachings that paint a very different picture of early Christianity. One of the most famous is the Gospel of Thomas, a collection of sayings attributed to Jesus. Unlike the four Gospels in the Bible, Thomas has no miracles, no crucifixion story, just pure cryptic teachings. One line says, "The kingdom is inside you and it is outside you. When you know yourselves, then you will be known." This is the heartbeat of Gnosticism. Truth is not given by an institution, it's found within. There's also the Gospel of Mary, which suggests that Mary Magdalene was not just a follower, but a trusted teacher with secret knowledge that the male disciples did not understand. And the Gospel of Judas, a shocking text that flips the story of betrayal upside down, portraying Judas not as a traitor, but as someone who helped Jesus fulfill his secret plan. Why were these writings hidden? Because they challenged the authority of the early church. They offered an alternative Christianity, one that focused on personal awakening over blind obedience. For centuries, these texts lay silent in the desert sands, beyond the reach of popes and emperors. Now they invite us to ask deeper questions. What if the story we know isn't the only story? And what wisdom did the early church try to bury? In our next lesson, we'll look at how the Gnostics practiced their faith, the secret rituals, symbols, and mystical experiences that kept their teachings alive, even as the world tried to silence them.